Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be making 3 different candles, guys. Yes, 3 candles for the holidays. Yes, guys. I'm going to be using these beautiful bowls that I found at Homegoods. Look at how beautiful they are. Yes, and I'm going to be making 3 different candles. They're going to be different because I'm going to be using 3 different fragrance oils, okay? So for today's project, guys, I'm going to be using, I want it to be holiday types, kind of vibe, so the first oil that I'm going to be using, guys, is going to be Woodland Snow. I'm going to read you all about it, so I'll give you all the names. The next oil is going to be Autumn Glow, also from Candlescience, and the last one is going to be Cranberry Prosecco. Okay, so we're gonna be using these 3 beautiful oils, guys. Make these holiday candles, guys, perfect for gifts, when you go to somebody's house for the party, for the holiday festivities, guys. You can bring these beautiful candles, guys. And I know Homegoods sometimes is hit or miss, sometimes you see this week, next week you're gonna have something different. I just want to give you an idea, guys, for you to find something that unique, that you love, and always it's a good idea, guys, to buy on a set of 3. Okay. If I'm gonna be making a set of candles, guys, I don't do 2, I always like to do 3, okay, guys? So here they are. So let me just get everything ready, guys. I'm gonna give you all the information about the fragrance oils, and I'll be right back. Yes! Okay, guys, we're back. So let me tell you all about these fragrance oils, guys. The first one is gonna be Autumn Glow, okay? And this one has top notes of apple, cinnamon, and clove. Middle notes is gonna be pine, eucalyptus, juniper, and cranberry, and the base notes is cedar, okay? Guys, this is so welcoming. Very comforting. You feel love. It makes you feel like you're gonna be gathering with a lot of friends and family that you haven't seen in a long time, guys. Very yummy, very kind of sweet for me. This is the kind of it's very welcoming, very because of the apple, guys. It gives you that baking background, guys. It's very yummy. Again, very comfortable, guys. Perfect for the winter. Perfect to see in front of the fire, guys, talking to your friends and family, guys. This is one perfect candle. Okay, so the next one is going to be Cranberry Prosecco. The top note is going to be citrus and cranberry. Middle notes, champagne. And the base notes, musk and praline. Okay, this is very welcoming, guys. You feel the energy, guys. The top note of the citrus and the cranberry, guys. Let's go party, guys. Plus the champagne gives you that. It makes you happy. It makes you welcome. It makes you look forward for the gathering, Perfect for the holidays, guys. Another winner from Candlescience. And the next one's gonna call Woodland Snow, guys. Let me read you the information. Oh my god, this is amazing, guys. Perfect for the winter. The top notes for this is mint, ozone, and camphor. So right there, it makes you feel like you are outdoors, guys, walking through a snow-covered forest, and then you feel the aroma of the pine and the camphorish environment, guys. The middle notes, eucalyptus, peppermint, cypress, and sage. Very comforting, very relaxing, very cleansing inside, cleanses your spirit. The base note is patchouli, juniper, cedar, spice, and incense. Okay, very spiritual, very calming. Again, guys, this is perfect for you to sit in front of the fire, read a nice book, talk to someone. Guys, this is very intimate, very romantic too, okay? So this is why I picked this, guys. The reason why I'm making these 3, guys, is because you can just give this as a present. You can just do them for yourself, guys, and you can put each and every one on different rooms because each candle is gonna have different vibe, okay, guys? You can make a set of 3 and you can create 3 different vibes, people are gonna be very happy, okay? So I'm gonna start gathering all the ingredients, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here we are. So we have in here the vessels in here, guys. I'm gonna show you how I do the measurement, the wax amount, doing the water method, guys. So I'm gonna show you that next, okay? So let me show you the items that we're gonna be needing, okay? So we're gonna be needing the wax. I already pre-measured the wax, guys. I'm gonna tell you the amount in a little bit, okay? Then we're gonna need the oils. We're gonna need these shot glasses to measure the oils, okay? We're gonna be needing a marker because I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be wicking these. I have this wick centering tool that I have from 1617. As a wick holders, I'm going to be using these bamboo skewers. I'm going to be needing a spatula and a thermometer. Guys, we're going to be needing an oven mitten, okay, to make sure that we don't burn our hands. Okay, guys, so I'm going to measure one of the bowls, and I'm going to show you how I use water to find out how much wax we're going to be needing, okay? So let me just get everything ready and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the scale on ounces, and I have the bowl in there, guys. And I'm gonna take some water and I'm gonna fill it up to the level that I think I want the candle to go, okay? The wax to go, okay? So let's see. Okay, I think this is the perfect level, guys. Let me show you. You see? not too high, not too close. I don't want to go above the gold rim. So I think the water weight for this is gonna be 5 ounces. So we know they're all the same. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna guide myself by this measurement, guys. So 5 ounces of water weight to figure out how much wax we're gonna be needing, okay? And for that, I'm gonna be needing my calculator. I'm gonna give you the formula, guys. I'm gonna try to be as clear as possible, okay? So for this, if we know that we have 5 ounces of water weight, so I'm gonna take 5 times 0.86. That's gonna give me a measurement of 4.3, okay? So this is telling me that I'm gonna be needing 4.3 ounces of wax, okay? So let me just write that down. Now, we're gonna be needing for that, if we have 4.3 ounces of wax, and I want to get a 10% fragrance load for my fragrances on each of the candle, I'm gonna do 4.3, that's the amount of the total fill of the candle, times 0.10 equals 0.43, okay? So each candle is gonna have a total amount of 0.43 ounces of fragrance oil, okay guys? For each candle, we need to find out how much wax we're gonna need after I subtract this as 0.43, okay guys? So very easy, we're gonna do 4.3 minus 0.43 equals 3.87, which I'm gonna round up to 3.9, okay guys? So we're gonna be needing 3.9 ounces of wax plus 0.43 ounces of fragrance oil, and that's gonna give us a total of 4.3, okay guys? You see? Easy peasy, okay? Let me just clean this up, guys. Okay guys, let's start measuring the oils, and we know that we need 0.43 for each and every one of them, guys. So the first one is gonna be Autumn Glow, okay? 0.43, don't go over, guys. That's why it needs the pipettes. The magic potions, yes. Let me just put this away. Okay, so now we have the fragrance oil, guys. I have in here 3.9 ounces of number 7 wax, the same with this in here and here. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 6 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you how I wick this now. So for this application, I'm gonna be using this wick placer from 1617, guys, and as you can see, it doesn't go all the way down. But what I'm looking for is I wanna place them equal space. So I'm just gonna take a marker, and I'm gonna try to be as accurate as I can, okay? For the center of the wick. Okay, so I make 2 dots in there, guys. I'm gonna do that for all of them. And for this application, guys, I'm gonna be using a double CDN number 3. Okay guys, so this I need 6 wicks, and these are they're not that tall, guys. I'm gonna be using one of the wicks, guys, which are 6 inches tall. I'm gonna cut them in half using a pair of pliers, and this should be perfect, you know, perfect height. I mean, we need to save money anytime, anywhere we can. And then I'm just gonna take tabs that come on, okay, and then just press them hard, okay guys? And here you go. So now I have 2 ready. You see, guys, it doesn't take that much effort. Okay, so I'm gonna wick one. Guys, and the rest I'm gonna do off screen, okay? Glue stickers. The first one, just try to be accurate. Okay, and press really hard, guys, and I think this looks really well. And I'm gonna take one of my bamboo homemade wick wick holders, separate them like this, and then just push the wicks through the center, okay, and just center this, and then just push this in, okay guys? And there you go, guys, the first candle has been wicked, yeah! So I'm gonna do the rest of camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. So as you can see, they're all being wicked perfectly, guys. I love it. So in the back I have the 2 waxes for the 2 candles that I have left. There's one in the microwave that's still warming up, guys. So we're ready to make the candles. I'm so happy. Okay, let me change the angle and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it out of the microwave, and it's 206. So I'm gonna pour the fragrance oil. The first one is gonna be Autumn Glow. It smells amazing. It smells amazing. And guys, I'm gonna be using the same spatula and the same cup for all 3 of them. I'm just gonna clean them with alcohol, guys. So again, I'm using number 7, so you only need 2 mix for 20 seconds. Okay, it's 185. I'm gonna pour now. So again, like I told you, I'm gonna be using the same spatula for all 3 of them. Again, this is very hot, so you need to use an oven glove for this. Time to pour. First candle, autumn glow. Here we go. Okay, now the next one, let me just clean this with alcohol. And I'm gonna put the other wax in the microwave and I'll bring it back. Yeah! So we have in here candle number 2. This is gonna be cranberry prosecco. Okay, let's see how warm this is. 195, so it's not time to pour yet. Okay guys, so I'll be back before I pour. Okay guys, it's 184, time to pour. Yes! I'm so excited guys. Candle number 2, cranberry prosecco. Yes! Holiday candles. Come alive, beautiful, perfection. Okay, I'm gonna clean this with alcohol and I'm gonna put the wax in the microwave and I'll be right back. Yes! Okay guys, the last candle is here, woodland snow. It smells amazing. Let's see how warm this is. 182, time to pour. Yes! Oh my god guys, I wish you were here because it smells amazing. Okay, let me just put my glove on and just pour the last candle. Yes, beautiful. Perfection guys, I'm telling you, using the water method to find out how much wax you need in these vessels was the best thing I could have done guys. Here are the beautiful 3 candles, holiday candles guys. It's perfect for a gift set guys. When you go to somebody's house and you want to bring something different for the holidays, that they're gonna love these guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing guys is I'm gonna wait until they're solidified guys. I'm gonna be going to the gym. It's early in the morning, and when I come back from the gym, I'm gonna finish the video. Okay guys, yeah, success. Okay guys, welcome back. Look at the beauties. Yes, in their full glory guys. Let me just do a close-up so you can see them. Look at how beautiful they look guys. I lit them up. I want you to see the beautiful candle guys. Let me just show you one. Ta-da! Look at this beauty guys. This is gonna make beautiful gift sets guys for Christmas, for the holidays, for any occasion during the year guys. These are beautiful guys. This is to demonstrate to you guys that you can go to Homegoods or any store guys and find a beautiful dish, a beautiful bowl like this, and you can make it into a candle. As long as this is heat proof, okay guys? You have to check to make sure that this is heat proof, okay? So these are, okay, so let's do a quick recap guys. So I use 3 different fragrance oils for these beautiful candles. The first one is gonna be Autumn Glow. The second one is gonna be Cranberry Prosecco. And the third one is Woodland Snow. All 3 of them guys are from Candlescience. I'm gonna link all the items that I use down below in the description box guys, and thank you for coming in today guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys, give a like to the video guys, and also visit my website candleromance.shop so you can purchase all my beautiful candles. Okay guys, so until the next one guys, take care of yourself. I love you. Bye. Yeah, success, yeah.